Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here. Today we're going to be taking a look at Android 12 running on the OnePlus 9. And this beta is based on one of the developer previews of Android 12, so it's actually a couple versions behind at this point from what Google has actually released on their Pixel devices. So with that being said, we don't have any of the OxygenOS features yet. It's just the Pixel launcher and a lot of stock Google stuff. And it's kind of clunky. A lot of things don't line up right. As you can see, the battery percentage here is really close to the edge. There's a lot of gaps up here on the top. We can't change our wallpapers. The only options we get for wallpapers are live wallpapers and photos. So there's really no wallpaper switcher or anything like that. Home settings, we really don't get anything much other than notification dots and adding apps to the home screen. So we're very limited on what we can do on the OnePlus 9 at this point on the beta, which is to be expected. Like I said, it's based on a very early version of Android. So hopefully in OnePlus's next update we get some of the OxygenOS features starting to come in, and we start basing it off of actual betas of Android 12 and not the developer previews. That being said, it runs pretty well. Things are smooth and snappy. You just don't have a lot of the features that you would expect on a normal stable device. And fingerprint lock does not work. Neither does excuse me. Neither does face unlock. So you do have to use a PIN or no passcode at all and just swipe up. You can't use any of the biometrics. So that's one of the things. If we pop over into settings here, we can kind of see how just big and bold and clunky things are. Like I said, it runs smooth. It just isn't visually appealing yet. And there's still some issues with our navigation and stuff like that when you reboot the phone. So I'm probably going to go ahead and revert back to stable OxygenOS and wait for the next build, just because there's really nothing to play around in this. This is meant for app testing and stuff like that. There's really no new features to check out or take advantage of. It's just bare bones stuff for testing at this point. But once we do get some new beta updates, I will be installing it again and showing you guys what's new and what we can expect in OxygenOS 12. This is Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.